Friends, over 7 years back, Vera Nazarian said it's easier for a rich man to ride that camel through the eye of a needle directly into the kingdom of heaven than for some of us to give up our cell phones. This statement could not be truer today. Not only are we spending more and more time on our cell phones, but the data consumption around the world has also increased by leaps and bounds. And these figures hold true for every day of the week. Twitter averages 5.8 crore tweets per day. That's amazing 9,100 tweets per second. Here are some other facts and figures that are guaranteed to amaze most people watching this video. India, my friends, is leading the online data revolution. Our country ranks only second to China in the number of mobile users. India has over 93 crore mobile phone subscribers, which is more than thrice the population of the United States of America. Facebook is the leading website, accessed by 97% of all social media users in the country. And spearheading this data revolution in India is Reliance Communications. As you all know, ever since its inception, Reliance has been at the forefront of innovation in the telecom sector. Be it by tying up with premium smartphone manufacturers or offering customized products and world-class services, we are always looking to innovate. And this has seen us garner a rapidly expanding customer base, which today stands at 15.8 crores. Each and every one of these people depend upon us each day to bring a smile to their faces. And starting today, we are going to make their smiles that much bigger. For the first time in the history of Indian telecommunications, our customers will now be able to enjoy the benefits of 3G data services by simply paying the price of 2G. With this new scheme, we are ushering in a new wave in data. Now each of us will be able to stream and watch, chat with the family and friends via video and do so much more with their mobile phones. As our business partners, you will be at the very forefront of this revolutionary development in the Indian telecom industry by helping to spread the word to our valued customers. And as time goes by, I am sure we will gain even more customers on the 3G spectrum. So let us grow together, because when we work together, anything is possible. A revolution is coming, ladies and gentlemen, and we are all a part of it. Thank you for your time and good luck.